All right, guys, in this video, we're going to be factoring more trinomials, this time with a value of c that is negative. So we have a value of c that is negative. And when I look at a value of c that's negative, it means that my two factors have to have opposite signs. So one of them is going to be positive and the other one's going to be negative. So we'll start off with factoring negative 48 and ending up with a sum of 2. Okay, so we're looking for two numbers that when we multiply them together give us negative 48, and when we add them together get us 2. Okay, so 1 and, let's say, 1 and 48. Now, if I want b to be positive, I'm going to need the negative number to be the smaller number. So 48 minus 1 is 47. Doesn't work. Negative 2 and 24. So negative 2 times 24 is negative 48. 24 minus 2 is 22. Doesn't work. What about 3? So 3 and 16. So 16 minus 3 is 13. So that doesn't work. What about 4? 4 and 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. We're getting closer. What about, now 5 doesn't work, but what about 6? So negative 6 and 8. And if I do 8 minus 6, I get 2. Negative 6 times 8 is negative 48. So we've got our numbers, negative 6 and 8. So we'll have x minus 6 and x plus 8. All right, so that's going to do that one. Let's take a look at our next one. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply together to get us negative 10, but when we add them together it gives us negative 9. Now, because b is negative, it means that of the two factors, the larger factor is going to be our negative number. So we'll look at factors of 10. So we have 1 and 10, so actually negative 10. So we have 1 and negative 10 and 2 and negative 5. See how both of those would give us negative numbers. So 1 minus 10 is equal to negative 9. 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3. But the one that we want is this one, the 1 minus 10. So we have x plus 1 and x minus 10. And that's going to be how you do that one. So guys, we're looking for factors. Factors that add or subtract to another number. We're looking for that combination that works, and the way that we do that is we look at the factors of our value for c. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll talk in class.